Isn't it cool if you're the only person who can access the Wi-Fi network and actually use it, while others will just keep on scanning for the Wi-Fi network? So you can do these things, you can trick your friends like that. So let's get started. So in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your Wi-Fi network. So let's get started. First of all, you need to connect your mobile phone to the Wi-Fi network. So then after, you have to go to the Chrome and you have to type the IP address of your router. Remember, I'm using Huawei Ecolife router and its IP address is 192.168.100.1. So here you have to enter your default account name and password. Mine is telecom admin and the password is admin telecom. So here we are logged into Wi-Fi network settings. So zoom in and seek for an option called WLAN. Once you press that LAN word, seek for an option called broadcast SSID. See over here, it's showing broadcast SSID. You have to just press over here and it's gone. Then after, you have to apply it. Will take some time for the so here is the Wi-Fi router is over here, but you can connect to it. So here it is, your Wi-Fi network is hidden. So the problem rises again, how to reconnect to your hidden network. It's easy, just you have to go to the add option, type your Wi-Fi name. Mine was random, take as my channel name is it. You have to type your password and see, I'm connected to my Wi-Fi network. So that's how you do it.